Hello, this is Dr. Hein, and welcome to the Math Bunker. Today we're asked to solve for x when giving a pair of corresponding angles. Let's solve for x in question number 1. Notice we have two parallel lines separated by one transversal. The top angle is 19x minus 3 and the bottom angle is 130. Now when we solve for x when given two parallel lines in a transversal, we either make them equal to 180 degrees or equal to each other. In this case, because they're corresponding angles, they're not equal to 180, but yet they're equal to each other. So we simply make one angle equal the other angle, and then we solve for x. So let's do that. So let's take 19x minus 3. Let's make that equal to 130 degrees. Okay, now we're going to isolate the x. We want x to be all by itself because we have 19x minus 3. We're going to do the opposite. We're going to add 3 to the negative 3, and we want to cancel that out. But what we do on one side of the equal sign, we must do the same thing on the other side. Because we added 3 to the left side, we must add 3 to the right. And the negative 3 and positive 3 will cancel out. Now I'm going to go ahead and drop down the 19x. And so on the right side, 130 plus 3 is 133. Now the last step we're going to have to do is divide both sides by 19. Because this is multiplication, 19 times a number equals 133. We must do the opposite of multiplication. We divide. So 19 divided by 19. And again, what we do on one side of the equal sign, we must do the same thing on the other. Because we divided 19 on the left side, we must divide 19 on the right side. Now 19 divided by 19 on the left side will cancel out, or 19 divided by 19 rather will be the number 1. And we list that as 1x. And 133 divided by 19 is 7. Therefore, x equals 7. Thank you for joining me in the Math Bunker.